Alright, hello there INFOrmed Beauty. It's your girl EuniyceMari here. As you guys know, we've been talking about serums. What is a serum? The types of serum. So today's video we are going to talk about how to apply a face serum. And I think that this, after knowing the other information, this is very important because a lot of people apply face serums incorrectly. I see it done here on YouTube and it drives me nuts. When they apply a serum after a moisturizer, I want to like throw something at the screen. Like, no, no, and no. How do you apply a face serum? Like I've said in the What is Face Serum video, serum is the middle person. It's the middleman. Serum comes in and it targets your problems. Okay, it targets your problems. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to applying a face serum is cleanse the face. Make sure your face is clean. Now, let me take a step back. Some people do tone. So for example, I tone using witch hazel, or I tone using rose water. So if toning is in your step or in your cleansing step, and I do have a full video talking about toners or astringents, I'll leave it above, down below. If you don't know what a toner or astringent is, go check out that video. In my case, I would tone the face first. Okay? So I would tone the face. Then after you tone the face or cleanse the face if you don't tone, you want to apply your serum. Okay? The reason why you want to apply your serum before you apply your moisturizer is because serums have smaller molecules. Okay? And they are made to penetrate into the skin. If you put your moisturizer down first, moisturizers usually have bigger molecules. So the serum's not going to be able to get past that to get into the skin, and it's a waste. But serums are lighter, they're liquid. You want to put them down first before you put down your moisturizer. How you apply your serum is kind of up to you. Some people rub their serums in, some people pat their serums in. It's whatever works for you. I'm a rubber. Okay, I like to stimulate the skin whenever I apply anything on my face. Some people feel like you do that, it causes you to age, so they kind of, you know, prefer to kind of pat their serums in or their moisturizer. So it's whatever you feel comfortable with, but you want to rub or pat it in and just let it fully sit, dry, and really get into that skin. Then next you want to go ahead and you want to moisturize. So you want to go ahead and apply that moisturizer onto your face, seal in all that serum, lock in all that goodness, and then that is it. Now, if it is a nighttime skincare routine, usually for me at night I do put an oil over my moisturizer just to really lock in all the moisture. Depending on your skincare and what you need and what you do, you could, you know, seal the deal with oil, but it's not really necessary if you don't need to. You can just go ahead and put a moisturizer on that bad boy, call it a day. Also, moisture could be a very important part depending on what serum you are using. Usually I think all serums need some type of backup when it comes to moisturizing, because if you think about it, if it contains a retinol, if it contains a vitamin C, a hyaluronic, a salicylic, glycolic, those can sometimes be a little drying on the skin. And hyaluronic acids, they kind of pull in moisture. So you want to put a moisturizer down on top of that serum to pull in the moisture, okay? So I always recommend some type of moisturizer when it comes to serums, you guys. So that is how to apply a serum. Hopefully that was quick, simple, to the point. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure you guys leave them down below. I'm going to next be talking about skincare in order. So just what order you should be doing your skincare and why it is important to do it a certain way. Okay, with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.